Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a haul today. My voice is not great. Evidently, I have caught something. Darren and I went to Michigan last weekend. Actually, we left, Thursday?
Yep.
And spent some time with a friend. I am so excited we got to go. Oh, this is yours. I'm going to set it to the side for last. We rode bikes in Michigan. What'd we ride, Darren? 18 miles?
Yeah, it was.
Rode 18 miles on,
The Pier McCut,
what day?
Saturday.
Saturday. Yeah, that's what it was. These are bags, which I am really happy are here. This is an AliExpress mostly haul. These are bags for items I make and sell and give away. And I have a lot of, I'm working on right now, what do you call it? Happy Meal for some people. So we went to Michigan and we rode 18 miles on Saturday. Sunday we went to a Ren fair and walked a couple miles at least. Sunday we left Michigan late Sunday or Saturday.
Oh, Sunday.
And drove to Indiana, slept there, got up, rode the Terre Haute trail, rode 8 miles on our bicycles. So when we got home, we rode, Tuesday? We rode almost 20 miles. My bike had 2 flats, and I walked it 2 miles. I have a new word in my vocabulary that I have made up. Aren't these the cutest with Christmas coming? And that word is hikeling. Hikeling is when you push a bike with a flat tire for a mile or more, and I pushed it almost 2 miles while Darren rode fast home to get the car to come get me. But when he came, he repaired my tire and I rode the rest of the way home. So I've ridden over 40 miles, and I think my body's just saying, you know what, that's enough. Okay. Well, these are a little bigger than I expected.
I think people just made you sick, that's all.
Well, there's that possibility. Tina at Tina's Reborns and More is going to be doing the Grinch Christmas. A little doll, anything you want to do Grinch, I believe is the way it is. And if you watch Tina's channel, you will know more about it. And I will be doing an announcement video soon about what's coming up and all the opportunities. I think I know what this is. I don't know what both are, though. One or the other is something I have been anticipating. Anyway, I promise you, if you go out of town, if you go out of town, everything you've been waiting for in the mail will show up at once. Oh, these look pretty big, but I guess I am. New bicycling shorts. That's wonderful. I need these. Oh, man. Darren redid a bike for me. I have dubbed the Pumpkin. It is orange. I have a Blythe named Pumpkin. I'm going to go ahead and open this. I was going to save it for last, but I have a Blythe named Pumpkin, and I take her on the handlebars. Would you believe she already has over 100 miles? And yes, it does make me ride faster and further, because when I get tired, I start thinking about something I might do with or for her on my channel. Wait, it feels like something else. Nope. All right, see, I really had a lot come. I'm so careful here because I don't want to cut the inside bags. Oh, these are cool. Look at these charms I got for Halloween outfits and earrings. I love skeleton keys. And these are skeleton or skull head keys. How cool are those? Those are going to be fun. I do a lot of things. I add it to the outfit, or make earrings, or make a necklace, and then I leave the top of the dress plain so that the necklace shows up well. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, cool. These are sweater dresses for Barbie. Last time I did a haul, I had one of these come. And I'll tell you why they didn't all come at once. If you will, when you order from AliExpress, if I could find the opening here. When you order something that has, okay, it's like $1.25. We're just pulling a figure out of the air. But it has $1.99 shipping. If you put it in your cart and then add another, a lot of times it won't add any more shipping. It'll just be the $1.99 shipping plus the cost of the second one. But if you have a third one, it will add more shipping and oftentimes shipping for the second item. So I add two, check it, add a third to check it, and if the shipping goes up, I take it back out and I put it back in my shopping cart and get it next time it comes. I needed 3 of those, and well, I know I got 3. I'm not so sure I didn't get 4 of those because I really like them, and you know, pink is Barbie's color. Oh, these are cute. I've gotten these before. I've used these on pull strings and for earrings, like I said, on little outfits. They're just skeletons. Kind of our Darren and I Halloween thing. We like skeletons. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I know what it is. I'm very excited about it. I won't be able to show you the whole thing today, but I promise you, you will be seeing it. BlytheCon is coming November 5th. And is that today's the 5th, isn't it?
I believe so.
Oh, I should have done one more reminder, but with not feeling well, I didn't. BlytheCon is coming November 5th, which is 1 month from today. Look at this. I got this in a skirt, and now, oh my, that is big. That is bigger than me. Okay, well that's good because I knew, you know, those Chinese sizes, if you get an extra large in a Chinese size, I promise you it'll be a medium in US size. So I got this gigantic, and now I'm not sure it was a good idea. It's a dress. I will be showing you that.
Or 2 dresses.
Yeah, I'll make our tote bag and a dress. Darren got this the other day. I'm such a child. I was going to look and see if what the Barbie stuff was. I'm sure you all got this. Leave it in the comments if you did. What a fun thing for kids. It's got stickers and all kinds of stuff in there. This goes along the open it on camera. I ordered some patches. We put patches on our bike bags on our bicycles that carry things. Darren carries extra because he helps people on the trail if they have a flat tire or something. So I got that for one of my new bags for my new bike. And we have, or Darren has, and I had some of these, and God, I'm getting really bad about putting things up, and then I forget where up is. It's terrible. All right, these are pretty cool. I hope if they're like Darren's. That's not what I thought. Okay. Well, I got these as patches for my bike. Now let's open these. I was looking at Blythe's on sale. I don't remember who I bought them from, I'll be honest. They were very inexpensive, and the sale was about to end. So I bought a couple of dolls. I'll have to look up. It doesn't matter who I bought them from as long as they came in good. Oh, I got some of those little pink tennis shoes for Blythe. Love these. Those are really pink too. I really like those. I love neon pink, and I think these would be cute together. Those little sweater dresses are so cute on Blythe. They are just adorable. Adorable. All right, what else did I get? Oh, it's an elf. This is for an elf on a shelf is who it is sold for. But they are so cute on a Ken or a Blythe. This one's a little bigger. This one's more Ken size. And I actually got this for a Blythe doll. I think it's really cute. Just set that there and get these open and see how they're looking. I hold my breath anymore. I've been getting damaged dolls. I'll tell you what though, I must say, for every damaged doll I have bought many others that have not come in damaged. So I love this pink hair. Oh, I just love this pink hair. One of these are for me, one is not. I have started selling Blythes on my whimsicalblythe.com website. And I have found out that people like to buy these in the US and let someone else worry about will it come in right and tight and everything. All right, let's check eyes real quick. I always get the hair in it. Okay, there we go. Looks good. It's always good to pull straight back. And a lot of people, you know, say it's the only way to do it. If you ever watch the 1972 Blythe commercial, the little girls pulled the strings straight down. However, it is good to pull straight back. I'll show you why. Let me pull her out. The reason is on the older Blythes, this is metal. There is a metal ring around it's a guard. It's a string guard so it doesn't get cut. But it also, when you pull down, works the string, you know, can wear it out. If you pull straight back, it saves your string. All right. How cute are these? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Okay, evidently this is for me. Happy birthday to me.
Darren's birthday was the 25th, and of course, 25th of September, and of course it didn't get here on time.
Oh, it's a Christmas train. Isn't that cute?
Do you like it?
Steam engine. I do.
I think I saw something on the back, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
same print.
I like that it's printed on both sides. I like that a lot.